Changing your payout method on Sunflower Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Sunflower Bank website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Payout Methods or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ASRock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and click it to ensure your new payout method is set. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Sunflower Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.